Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I will be explaining organizing data. Already I have discussed and explained organizing data for tally tables, frequency tables and so on. So today we'll be discussing about two-way tables in everyday life. So two-way tables mean you have tables on both sides, meaning we have, for example, wearing a seat belt and not wearing a seat belt. So what we will do is, in two-way table, first we will show for wearing seat belt and not wearing seat belt. So here wearing seat belt and not wearing seat belt. And on the left side here, from top to down, we will here write men and women. So in this we can show multiple data in one table. So instead of making two tables and show one table for men and one table for women, we can show both of this data in one table. So for men, if we have 10 men are wearing seatbelt and 4 are not, whereas for women we have 6 are not wearing and 6 are wearing seatbelts and 3 are not. So this shows the frequency of certain results for two or more data, and it is a two-way table and shows how many men and women drivers are wearing seatbelts when they are past a checkpoint. So this is how we will show two-way tables. So this is one of the example, and the next example is if we have for male and female students using Facebook. So for using Facebook, we can show never use it over here. Never use it. Then for second type, we have use it sometimes. And for third, use it frequently. Use it frequently. And here we can write male and female. So around 35 we can make this like this. So around 35 male do not or never use it, whereas 42 females never use. Then for use it sometimes, 16 male individuals use it sometimes, whereas for female it is 26. And for using it frequently, we have for male it is 52 and for female it is 47. So this is how we can use the two-way tables for calculating or interpreting the data into one table. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. I will be uploading more, and don't forget to stay tuned for the next video. Bye.